RIMS Students Union, Teachers and Medical Officers Association, RDA, NTEWA and RNAL today staged a sit-in at RIMS' new OPD block in protest against the assault of a doctor and vandalism carried out at RIMS Medical Superintendent Office by a mob yesterday. Notably, enraged mob vandalized MS office of RIMS and brutally assaulted a doctor following the death of 2 patients due to alleged negligence by the hospital's doctor and staff yesterday. During the protest participated by doctors, medical students, staff and other healthcare providers, various placards denouncing the assault of the doctor were displayed. Speaking to reporters, TAMOA President Jiten emphasized the need for a safe and conducive environment of doctors. He also appealed to all concerned to resolve any controversies through peaceful dialogue and proper channels.
mayamdo akoi pungning doctor moina akoi pajan madu fail tawi madugi namuta adugi nungai tabuso I share tawjai from the side of the association as soon as possible situation jena hek conducive oiba ngarangi leiriba tana tanaraga doctor do ICU da pusan mama kai tawiram badu da karamba doctor na mana masida taw pangthok ngangdo no haibasi khogi yam samsamba miyoi bagi logical question nama thok e maram maduna aigi doctor sing khoi leiriba sing sida panic Aki bagi, pain the bagi, professional moiraga dignity, I tabak togzaru bagi, adugi nungai java, adugi pain java, you have a shang antanate, dignity haibam sulay. Dignity, the sanctity of the institute, the dignity of the profession, the physical well being of an individual, professional amakang namagi, official among tabak tabuda sumadudasu, upon the PV Bahibase, violence, any form of violence, Masimadi Akoi, strongly denounced Togzai, Masia Koya.